So many people come to the low country armed with these, and they really don't take the time to really breathe in all that the salt marsh has to offer, including that unique odor, that comes from our pluff mud. That's all part of low country life. Yes, living in the salt marsh with all the other creatures that you might find flying by, some that you might hear swimming by, instead of just the other human creatures that are walking by, their heads down, or taking a quick shot and not just stopping and enjoying these beautiful walkways. But if you take a little journey, put this away, and just stay there, take some time to realize what are causing those ripples amidst the marsh. Why is the marsh there? Is it a grass or isn't it? Yes, it is. It's a grass that actually helps us to protect this coastline. It keeps away a lot of the toxins that could destroy the water quality, thereby destroying the ecology of our estuaries, thereby destroying the literal fisheries that we have here. Yeah, because when this tide goes down, it's not just the things that swim by that matter, or little fiddler crabs that look like they're playing music out there, but those oysters that so many people come here for Nampon, they're there too. They're out there. They're all part of a diverse system that protects our coastline from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida. Hona children might call them the Sea Islands, the Low Country, and Redawas, the Gullah Geechee Nation. Let me take you on a little journey so that you know some of the top reasons why the salt marsh is important to our land, our waters, and should be as important to you as they are to me. Yes, march forward on this Lee Gullah Geechee journey. So, Hona chillin', as I always say, if Hona day with me, Hona go I know what's going on. We're glad that Hona done take this your journey to the Gullah Geechee Nation through the marsh. And you done yeti. Why we the axe on the chillin' for join we and march forward. Yeah, let we rise up even higher than the bridge and thing with it a raise cause of the sea level rise. Let we rise together, protecting the coastline, barrier islands, and sea islands for the future, for all of we, especially them with a dear, been ya. Oh, and this your land where I be, cause we be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Glad you tune in for this your salt marsh journey. Take this your 101 back to your family and your land.